basically, I'll tell you what the issue is. It's like every single guy. Okay, I do. I'm not gonna lie. Yes, I am one of those girls that are attracted to hood guys, but I. Yeah, I'll admit it. It's just the way they like. I can't lie. It's just their persona, and like they're just so confident, and obviously, it's just like sometimes when you just want someone to be like, "Yo, sit down," and you're like, "Okay, cool." It's just the way they talk to you. It's sometimes it's so like, you get what I'm saying? Like,
So have you?
it's
All right. So have you always been attracted to like thugs?
well, yeah, I guess so. Like, I would say that like well, not. I don't think I'm attracted to them. Like, they're cool, whatever, but it's just,
How old are
I
you?
don't know. I'm 26.
You're 26 and you're still talking about dating thugs.
No, I don't. That's what I'm saying. I've left that lifestyle alone.
When?
Like,
How long ago? How long ago did you leave that lifestyle?
I left that lifestyle probably like 4 years ago or 3 years ago. Once I dealt with one waste man, and he literally just made me realize that I shouldn't be dealing with guys like that. Like, I did go through my phase and stuff, but now I'm out of the phase.
So let me get
And
so okay. So let's say you got in the game at 18, yeah, when you're legal, yeah. So you got in the
yeah,
game at 18, and for 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 years, you was dating these kind of boys.
yeah.
Yeah. So like that's don't you think that's kind of mad? Like how many relationships did you have in that time?
Probably on it, like, realistically, from 18, like serious relationships, probably like four,
You had
I would
four.
say.
So you had the
Yeah.
relationship with a thug every year, a different thug each year.
They weren't. No, no, it's not. They weren't. Listen,
Go
do
on.
you know what? It's not that I was having a relationship every single year with one. It's just that what it really was is that, like, well, you see, sometimes you meet them, like, they might be a little bit hood, but they're not proper, proper, proper hood, if you get what I'm saying. Like, they're not, like, I can't explain, like, what I'm trying to say.
Like what?
Basically,
That let me say this to you. Yeah. What was the actual things that attracted you in the beginning? Like before you got to know them. Like what was the things that made you think, yeah, I'm gonna date him and then I'm gonna give him my box.
okay. I think what it was is, like, I'm not gonna lie, I do like alpha males. I tend to be attracted to guys that are like very dominant, and like, when they like I like I'm not saying that I want, like, as you would say, I don't want the guy that everybody else wants. I want my guys to be quiet. I like my guys laid back and out of a hoe's face. So I don't like my guys everywhere. I like my guy to be
No,
just
but you
like,
like thugs. So the fact of the matter
yeah,
is,
but
you like boys that are in like street life though. That's what I'm trying to get at.
not necessarily street life though. Like, they don't have to be thugs that on the streets on road, but they have to have mannerisms and like, I like him to have a little bit characteristics of, like, maybe, you know I
So
want
you
him
don't.
to
So
be like,
basically, you don't mind if he's a guy who's just faking the image.
no, like, he doesn't have to be, I don't he doesn't have to be on road, like, stealing people's purses and stuff like that.
Oh, you don't
But
mind.
I
So you don't mind. He can be stealing people's purses, but if he's not, you don't mind as long as he acts like someone that steals people's purses.
No, like, he just has to be confident and not be a dickhead. Like, I don't want to be walking on the street and someone's badding me up, and you're just standing there
No,
doing
but this is
nothing.
the thing. This is the thing, yeah. Like this is the thing where a lot of you girls get it so up. Like a guy can be a legit guy, like that does the right thing and still protect you. Like a guy doesn't
Yeah,
have to be a career criminal to protect you. Like that's a lie. That's something. That's that that has been programmed in music and black movies. That's what we've been
yeah,
programmed to believe.
That's true though. That is actually true. Cause like now I'm just like it's so hard because like now I've got like really nice, good guys around me and stuff. Like they're really sweet, and it's just honestly they're so nice, yeah. But the problem is I just need that fire still, cause I feel like I
You
need
need
to.
you want a guy that's gonna like, you get me, put you in your place. That's what you're trying to say.
Exact. Yes, that's all I'm asking
But
for. Like this is
why do you need to be put in your place? Why can't you just behave yourself?
because I realized that with me in relationships, I don't know if it's because of my past, but I feel like I like to be. I don't know if like
Yeah,
I'm
your
when
past
I'm
is
in.
dating thugs. Yeah, it is because your past. Your past is dating thugs. So now you're
I'm
calibrated to that. Because
what I'm trying to.
think about what you've said. You said from 18 to 22 or 23, you've been dating
Yeah,
this type of guy who acts this certain type of way. So now
yeah,
you're programmed to that. So if you meet a guy who doesn't put you in your place, like you're saying, you look at him as just nothing. He's just anything. Like, do you know what I mean? But that guy actually is actually treating, maybe just treating you with respect, like you're actually a human being and not a piece of meat. But
and I hate.
yeah, go on. Because I could
I
see,
do.
like, look, that's you in your avatar, yeah?
Yeah.
You're a good looking girl. You're a good looking black girl. Like, you could get any guy. You see what I'm saying? Like,
Why am I single?
if I saw you, I would move to you. But probably you'd be on it because I have that image in it, that persona. Yeah. But what I'm saying is, if a nice guy came up to you, a guy that's not even like, I don't even like saying nice guy, just a normal dude, yeah, who's not on craziness, he might be the right guy for you. But because you've messed around, thrown your box around with thugs, you're kind of in a bad position now because you won't never respect a guy that's just being normal with you.
Yeah, that's true. Because I think that's one of my hardest things now because, like, now I've got a different approach. Now in relationships, I like to be like, I want to be kind of like the man as like, I always want to be in control in the relationship. Like, I'm actually scared to like lose control in the relationship.
That don't even make sense because you just said, yeah, you've been dating guys that are thugs or street guys or fake street guys who were putting you
Yeah.
in your place. So if they were putting you in your place, how was you in charge?
Well, I mean, they could be in charge and birds will know I'm trying. No, but so okay. Basically, what I'm saying is that like, well, to be honest, the way I see it is, I kind of want him to be a thug in the streets, but with me, when we're behind closed doors, you be my you be my sweet
You
boy.
see the way you're talking, you're just gonna end up a baby mama. That's all that's gonna happen to you.
That's never gonna happen. I will not allow that to happen
Yeah, right.
ever.
Yeah, right. You're gonna end up a baby mama. I'm sorry, I'm gonna break the news to you. You're gonna end up a statistic in one way or another. You need to change the way you
No,
think. It's not mature.
true.
You're still kind of like, you sound kind of like a 15-year-old.
No, I don't think so. Like I am quite mature. Like I am very mature and stuff. Like
Yeah,
I just feel like
in looks maybe, but that's it.
yeah,
That's it.
it's true.
Like,
You're
to be
right.
honest, look, you're 26, yeah. You're saying you're
Yeah.
26. Blood,
Mhm.
you're gonna be 30 in 4 years, blood. That time's gonna go fast. And I'm sorry to break the news to you, but you're not gonna be as hot as you look now. And once you hit that wall, yeah, your options are gonna start decreasing, shrinking, disappearing. You know what I'm saying? Because you feel alright right now because you got guys, you got bad boys hollering at you, thugs hollering at you, fake thugs hollering at you, nice guys hollering at you. You get me? King Richez hollering at you on the low. Only joking. Yeah? But boom, you're winning right now. So you can say all of this crazy stuff. But guess what? There's going to be one day that you're going to realize that, rah, I'm not as hot as I used to be. And there's girls behind me that look way better than me. And they're getting all the attention I used to get. And then you're gonna be like, rah, where's all the good guys gone? Yeah.
Yeah.
But the fact is, you never wanted a good guy. You wanted a bad boy. And that's going to be on you.
That's
so
true.
I would say to you, in a smart moment, you may need to reevaluate what you're thinking because you're talking about, I want a bitch a guy and all of this, bruv. That's ridiculous, bruv. Like, you're just gonna mess yourself up.
It's so true. Oh my gosh.
I'm
Literally,
the realest YouTuber. I'm too real. And you need to put all your friends onto my channel as well, because they need to speak to me as well. Because if they think like you, they're mad as well.
But obviously, I just feel like certain guys, just London guys in general, are just not serious, and I'm tired of them.
Yeah,
I really am.
But I'm saying to you, you're not serious. Yeah, but I'm saying to you, you're not serious.
I am serious, but they're not serious.
No, you're serious about thugs. And guess what? It only takes one guy to mess your whole life up. And I'm being serious, dead ass serious with you. So
yeah, right.
You know, life is not a joke, because one day you're just gonna end up a baby mama, like smoking in a 1-bedroom flat, talking about these men ain't shit, they're all dogs and they all cheat, bruv. You cheated yourself, bruv.